So these are Tourmaline switches, JWK switches, with GS1 filmed with TX films, with GMK finer things on the DeltaBlade. Just to show you guys again, the DeltaBlade, absolutely stunning looking. All right, let us go. This is top mount. Also, before we start our stream today, here's the board we're going to be building. It is very pretty. I've shown you guys already once. This is called the DeltaBlade. Okay. Build details are there. There we go. Look how beautiful. Isn't this gorgeous? It's a very pretty color. And this is what we're going to be putting inside of it. Hold on, wait. Let me show you guys. Check this out. Bam. And do we have another themed build? I guess we do. I guess we have another theme. Oh, wait. So, Blind Assassin kindly sent this out for review. So we'll be taking... These cases are actually pretty neat. I don't know how to open this, though. I actually have not yet opened it. Maybe we just slide? Oh, okay. I've not actually used one of these. Yes, it is very Tiffany colored today. But we're going to keep all this to the side, because some of you guys might want to see... There's the PCB. DeltaBlade, designed by Blind Assassin 111. PCB's looking kind of clean. Okay. And sorry, did someone ask about hot swap on the Space 80? I don't think there's going to be hot swap. All right, let's take a look at the build quality first. And it's actually pretty nice. We're actually going to be opening this up before we do anything too. So this is the DeltaBlade. I don't know if this color will be available. I think if you guys check the, whatchamacallit there, the Keycaps, I don't think this particular color is available, but it is beautiful, and I wish this did come as a color. But I believe this is also Cerakoted. So let's open this guy up. Other than that, honestly, the quality of everything looks really good. I don't see anything that's noteworthy on here that's going to be bad at all. Yeah, literally nothing. I believe the Tiffany blue here is Cerakoted. So you can kind of see it has a different texture than the rest of everything, but that's okay. That's acceptable. It's a very, very subtle difference in texture. Gorgeous side profile, though. You get these beautiful edges over here, too. So I actually don't... this is a bag I use for keeping switches in. I don't know if these are Telios, though.
Oh, thank you, dude.
I actually don't know if these are Telios. I think they are. I'll have to ask again. Is KBD fans a good starter build? Yeah, I don't see why not. Honestly, okay, here's a question. Who here has built a tofu? I did. I loved the Bakaneko. For 120 bucks or whatever it was, $130, it was great. Yeah, like most of you guys have built tofus, right? Looking back on it, or if you guys still are using it, tofu's not bad, right? Tofu's pretty good. I feel like for a while there, the tofu got so much hate for being like this monstrosity of like a starter board for some reason. Yeah, it's not bad, right? I wouldn't say it's bad at all. Ooh, oh, I love this color. I'm so in love with this. This is beautiful. Inside looks good too. Yeah, this is well done. So keep in mind, this is a prototype. Well, I guess, I mean, yeah, it would be considered a prototype. That's pretty. This is really nice looking. All right, so inside looks great. Just some dust in places. Yeah, this looks good. Cool. Let's move on to our next step. I like this. It tells you where everything goes. It's probably darker, but look. That is so nice. That is a nice touch. On the front too? Oh, I like that. I do like that a lot. That's Omega Pog, yeah. How stupid is it to go from a Corsair K70 to a Salvation? I don't think it's stupid at all. I really don't think you're stupid for even wanting to get into keyboards that way, going from a Corsair board. I think it's really cool, actually, that you want to get that. However, if you're really enjoying your keyboard already, I'm not going to ever force anyone to buy anything or tell anyone that it's worth it to buy something. My honest thoughts is if you want to get it, you have to be the most comfortable with your own purchase, right? So if you feel like it's a worth transition, I think personally, like my thoughts, yeah, it'd be really cool if you want to try something out. It'd be a really, really great first keyboard. But if you're already completely comfortable and you don't need to pick up a new keyboard, then totally on you. Oh, what do we think, guys? Ooh. Yeah, this PCB has labels for everything, so it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Very, very, very pretty. Wow. Damn, dude. Make sure everything's nicely put in. Can we see it in the face cam as well? The face cam is very, very saturated. Don't forget. Well, a little bit more saturated, and it's a little different in color. So there you guys go. If you guys want to see two different colors. The top down is very, very accurate. This one here is not. FYI. That's why you can see the green shine through in the teal more than my face cam. let's put this together. So this goes this way. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take off this for now since we don't need it. Let us move this out of the way. The back of this is so pretty, by the way. I know, squirrel. Isn't it gorgeous? All right. Get some more contrast here. Let's do this. Let us do this now, boys. Whew, baby, this is pretty. All right. It is done. It is complete. Well, let me lower this one. There we go. Okay. It is done. All right, guys. What do we think? What do we think? Matches the board so nicely, dude. Very clean. Very, very clean. Very, very clean, dude. Is it a piece of hair? It is a piece of hair. Get out of here. Very clean. I do very much like this. It's almost as nice as your eyes. I love the teal. No rubber feet? No, there was none in the box, which I'm concerned about because I don't want it to scratch on anything at all. There's none in the box. So what I probably will do... do I have like a cloth or anything? Let's just do this. Let's just type on a cloth. I never thought teal could look so good. Well, it does. It does look so good. Ooh. All right. Is it time for sound test?
Thanks for the host, dude.
Oh, man. Star, thank you so much for the host, man. I appreciate that. All right, let me pause the fan. I can fan my fan controls. I wouldn't say there's any hollowness at all. I don't hear hollowness. Yeah, JWKs are definitely a little higher pitched. I'd say this is pretty online with like every top mount I've ever used in terms of like, oh, did I pause? Oh, yeah, this is pretty much online with every top mount in terms of like feeling. I don't think there's any like bad feeling parts about this at all, like at all. I really don't think so. What plate material? Aluminum. It's not bad feeling. It's aluminum, right? So it's an aluminum top plate, so it feels like online with what I think it's gonna be. I like the mods. Spacebar sounds pretty good too. The only thing I didn't really care for was the top row. Yeah, I like the alphas a lot. I like the alphas a lot. But the color is gorgeous. I don't know if this color is going to be available. The side profile is gorgeous. Right? Absolutely stunning. Carbon fiber will be very interesting to see. Put Aether on the Salvation. Maybe not today. We got some other stuff we're going to unbox. Absolutely stunning keyboard. Looks very pretty. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Inside here? Oh, look at that. That's cool. Very cool. Where the USB slot is. Ooh, this is right USB? Interesting. Is there an option for that, or is this like both? So it's actually a very interesting layout as well. This colorway is not offered. The teal's offered from what I understand, but it's the teal's offered in, oh no, I think this colorway is offered. Teal ano bottom plate. No, I think it's offered. Pretty positive. They added this color to the group, but yeah, so I think it's there. I see it right there. E-white top, weight, and teal ano bottom plate. Yeah, so this color is offered. What did we think? It's top mount, so there's no frills there. It's traditional top mount. It's tried and true. A lot of people like top mount stuff. It's aluminum. Has a nice weight to it as well. I wouldn't say this is overly heavy. I think this sound profile is pretty good. I don't really... I wish the top mount... Or sorry, I wish this top mount offered maybe a different mounting system to kind of alleviate some of the vibration. It's a top mount. I think it looks stunning. This is definitely one of the prettier boards I've had. I like this and the Titan. In terms of looks this year, this and the Titan are my top two. I like the design of this. Design language is crazy good. I love this. I like this layout too, believe it or not. I know some people might not like this. Turn my thing back up. Some people might not like this layout, but I actually really like this layout. Really like this layout. I do think this would feel really good with the carbon fiber plate. I like the spacebar. The mods are good on this. The mods are nice and deep. Again, the backspace along with the top row might not be my fave. Very cool though. I would like to also see this with a half plate. I would love to see this with a half plate as well. Very pretty though. Super fucking pretty. I like it a lot in terms of design. Sound wise, you guys have heard, I mean, like we've had a bunch of different stuff come in, especially that has like unique mounting systems and stuff like that too. Like the Salvation, like the feel of this is obviously going to be much different from something like this.